Hey guys! It's storming out, so for one day in my life, I'm gonna decide to go outside. Here we go. So it's storming out, and I'm in a t-shirt. Let's make snow angels. Yeah! So much fun! Woo! Oh, yeah, go Canada! So, I hope you like this adventure. After today, I don't think I'm ever gonna go outside again. That was the worst experience of my life. I don't know how people do that for fun. So instead of going outside, I'm just gonna drink my tea inside and be safe. I might try to go outside again sometime. I mean, there's always next year. Bye! Like, comment, and subscribe, and my Kik and my Instagram is down below.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.